Okay guys, this was an interesting surprise. I actually got a package on a Sunday. It reminds me of Japan with Black Cat. They basically delivered 7 days a week right up to 9 p.m. But it was surprising to get something here in Australia on a Sunday, even though it was from Japan. So this was from japanparts.com. This is one of the final parts for the interior. It's the black traction control switch from the Japanese market, JDM Toyota 86. A rather large bag for a very small box, but yeah, let's just open it up, check it out. This is the instruction. Receipts. There we have it, nice. Let's just check it out. In this video too, I've also included the merch, one of my new t-shirts, the Doki Doki t-shirt. Okay, this is the part number. Okay, switch assembly. Let's have a look here. There we have it, nice. Exactly what I needed. So we'll go outside and put this in. I've just basically got to pull apart the gear, lever, surround assembly. Yeah, I'll do this earlier today when the sun comes out. I've got some better lighting. Okay guys, this is perfect. Thanks guys, cheers. Okay guys, hope the lighting's okay. So today we're just going to replace the silver switches here with the JDM black ones. Because I've got the black and silver with the seat heater switches, it's going to look nicer with the black and silver in here, so the theme remains current through the car here. Plus these old ones are just filthy and they just won't polish out for some reason. So what we need for this obviously is your switches and a screwdriver, that's it. So first of all, unscrew the gear knob. Okay, next, as we did in my previous videos, we put our fingers underneath here and pull up, okay, starting with the circular area and then moving back towards the switches. Just go ahead and do that. Okay, and then we're just going to carefully remove this over the reverse lockout as such. Unhook the clip. Okay, and just make sure that's recording. Yes, now just unscrew these and replace it. Simple. Just go ahead and do that. Should be reasonably easy because I just unscrewed this to paint this around, so I shouldn't have any problems. Comes off it carefully. Okay, just for comparison. As you can see, this one's just dirtier. This is no, I tried to polish it, it just wouldn't come off without ruining the screen printing anyway. So let's just stick this one back in. careful not to over tighten it either. Okay, and there we have it. It really matches and comes off there perfectly, so we'll just go ahead and put this back on. Don't forget to clip it back in too. Almost forgot. First. Carefully push it over the reverse socket collar. Such. Replace the gear knob. Okay, guys, and there we have it. It looks way better. And that's about it. Okay, next will be the merch unwrap as well that I'll include in the video. Okay, simple. It's looking really nice. So next will be a while though. We'll be getting the new seats retrimmed with some heat pads put in and the steering wheel replaced. But other than that, that'll be it for the interior for a while. I've got some engine based stuff to do. And the next big thing is the wheels. Alright guys, stay tuned. Thanks. Okay guys, so this is the first of the merchandise. It's off my merch store. This should be the Doki Doki t-shirt. Something I can wear around at car shows with the car. Easy to recognise, promote the channel. Looks good. That came out really, really well. On the back. Having katakana, Doki Doki. So yeah, this is available any size you like basically, and also any colour really, with the Aearonjer Happy Cyborgs logo on the front. Alright guys, again available at my merch store. Cheers.